I got into hacking for the sole purpose of finding that person.
Did you succeed?
Yep, I shut down her power for a week. It was hilarious. They nabbed me for that, though. I pretended it was an accident. Then I did it again. Enough about me, though. What are you extras gonna do when you find the producer?
Well, Roji and Alexis want to reason with him. When that fails, I have some bullets with his name on them.
You're crazy, man. He'll have you shot before you even reach the trigger. Got it! Onto a flash drive it goes.
Hey guys, it's okay to breathe carbon monoxide, right? Because whatever you just did is gonna release a lot of it.
What?